Now, Animoto. Has anyone used Animoto? Animoto rocks your world. Their tagline is called the end of slideshows. What it does, it's got the most beautiful, easy to use interface. You just upload images, whatever you want, photos, logos, whatever you want. You put them in the order that you want them to appear. You can add little titles with each one, and then you hit submit and it turns it into a slideshow. And what it does, it uses templates. You know, like getting cool effects and stuff are all built on motion graphics programs. What this does is creates things that would take you hours and hours and hours and days to create. So I think I've got an example if I press it. It is free. It's free to do a 30-second clip, or you can pay per clip. You can do like a minute or longer, and I think you can pay like $3 per thing, or you can buy a subscription of, I think it's about $30 a year, and make Animotos. So it's a really effective thing to just do something exciting, very hypey, and if you just want to get it out there. It's also a really good tool because where you can put in text, and once you guys go and have a look, you'll see, you can put in a title and a little bit of description, but it's very limited. It's like 20 characters and then maybe 60 or something like that. So it forces you to be really concise. So if you're trying to get a message across, it's just like, here's the title, here's what you've got to know, and then you back it up with images. And then you can select a soundtrack, you can upload one from your own library, or select one of theirs, you can buy them, you can get free ones. I love it.
So there's a time and a place to use this particular one because we've tried using it for some promotion and it hasn't worked so well. This is a good example of the Planet 13, that rock and roll clothing music store, that we created a video that we used and put it on the top of a sales letter to sell the concept of Planet 13. So this is selling a franchise. So that's what this video is. That's a creative way of thinking outside of the box, using some of these services in real world business as opposed to just a little internet marketing bubble.
The other thing is you can upload little bits of video footage as well, so you can play your own videos in there. They also have little images, you know, from the Eiffel Tower of New York, of hearts. Like there's themes that you can put in there as well. So it's a great thing. I really like it. Next one, Xtranormal. Has anyone heard of Xtranormal? No? Well, these guys, this is amazing. Their tagline is, if you can type, you can make a movie. I think it's something like that. All you need to do, you write a script, coming back to the scripting, huh? You write a script, you type it into Xtranormal, you can choose characters, and then it animates it for you. And it's quite in-depth, actually. Ryan basically built this video. Well, all of us, well, Dave wrote the script, we all worked on this, and we kind of tweaked it. Ryan built it. I had a little go with some camera angles, because you can actually put in different camera angles in there. And we made...
Can I jump in just before you, Mate? This is one of those real fun things that we were doing in the office, and we all got involved and we thought it was really cool. I watched this little video. It was the iPhone 4 versus the Evo, and it's a viral video that went completely crazy using Xtranormal, and it's quite funny. It's worth looking up. So I got that idea, and then that helped and inspired me to write a rough script. Ben fleshed it out, Ryan loaded it into Xtranormal, and then it went back to Ben and he put the final tweaks, and then we exported it out. And I'm a big fan of this one. We only just launched it a few days ago, so make sure that you retweet this one. This is, like, we're not really selling anything, but it's good fun.
No, it's just a bit of fun. And the thing is, you can choose different characters. These aren't the only ones. I think you can pay for those, but I think this one's free. So